It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one, and I cannot stress enough about the performance of Tao. Now, a lot of you guys just watched Tao go in just a couple of weeks, right? And I'll just go ahead to a month. It was just been a couple of weeks. April 7th, Tao was $174, right? Now, I've been screaming Tao for a while, especially after the release of D-Tao, which is the subnets, right? Now you are starting to see crypto Twitter catch on to what's happening in Tao. This is very similar to what I seen with virtuals and also what I seen with the Max token. Max token went from 6 million to $150 million market cap simply because of the hype around the tokens within the ecosystem. The same thing happened to virtuals. We've seen a huge run up on virtuals because of the hype of the tokens within the ecosystem. Right now, there is rising hype with this subnet, subnet 64 Chutes, which is ran by Ray, I can't pronounce it, Raylon. They actually have three subnets: Chutes, Gradients, and they also have another one, right? And their top subnet is Chutes. Word on the streets is Chutes is so good from a developer standpoint, or Rayon Labs, right? Rayon Labs is so good from a developer standpoint, right? Technical standpoint, that people are saying that if Render had a subnet on Tao, it would barely be top 10. That's how good some of these subnets are in the top 10 of Tao. And it's starting to show from the demand. We have finally a $100 million runner. And that's just one. In fact, Rayon has two tokens that are now looking to cross $50 million, right? This is all in Tao. And to put that into perspective, the total market cap right now of the subnets is about 500. But I guess if you exclude, hold on, let me see if I can find a website that actually excludes. All right, yeah. So it's about $500 million, the total market cap, right? Was excluding what we seen, which was the root, which is also a strategy that I am actually utilizing, right? So I have 50% of my Tau stake earning through root, and then I have 50% of my Tau in these subnets here, right? And like I said, guys, it'll take you literally 3 days, 48 to 72 hours, literally to go through all of these subnets and find the ones you personally gain conviction on. I like to focus on things like infrastructure, GPUs, data, the ability to build LLMs, right? To train AI. This is some of the things that I'm personally focusing on, and in more of a infrastructure, from more of an infrastructure standpoint. And this is the thing: the after a while on virtuals, there were so much tokens, it was really hard to really find the good ones. The same thing happened on Solana with the meme coins. After a while, it was just so many tokens. It's like, how do I find the diamonds in the rough? This is the time. While there's less than 100 Tau subnets, less than 100 Tau subnets, to put that into perspective, because research is not hard, guys. It's not hard. But to put that into perspective, let me see if I can actually find the tweet here. I think I had it pulled up. Let me see if I can actually find it. I think I did share it. Guys, make sure you go follow me, altcoin Millie. Let's see here if I can actually find it. Okay, right here. So to put that into perspective, the Tau subnet total market cap is about 500 million. That's a full 10x from just 9 weeks ago. 9 weeks ago, there was barely 30 subnets. Now it's like 90 of them. How many subnets do you think is going to be 3 months from now? What are you going to wait until the Fed turns on the money printer? Guys, we don't wait until the Fed turns on the money printer to start buying, right? We front run the Fed turning on the money printer. We wait until crypto is at its most quiet. Yes, I was bearish a few weeks ago, but now I'm hearing literally a pin fucking drop in crypto. It's so quiet. I got no choice as an investor to be excited, to be bullish. And if we go lower, hey, I got stable coins prepared, right? But from just a Tau perspective, this is an example clearly of how fast it's growing. Just 9 weeks ago, the total market cap of Tao's subnet ecosystem, DTAO, was less than 10x to where it is now, right? That's crazy. That's crazy, right? So what was the subnet value, like what, 50 million or something crazy? And that's just 9 weeks ago. Now we're at 500 million, right? You can go through the video and just check some of the market cap. So matter of fact, let me see if I can actually go find my Tao subnet video. So let me actually see if I can research it for you guys. 1 second. Let's just go here to view my channel.
We out here. You
excuse me. Tao subnets. I want to see what some of the all right, let's mute this because I don't want to. I'm giving myself a copy strike, right? All right, so I made a video right here at the Tao subnets. All right, so let's go and see what some of the Tao subnets. Let's see here, market caps. Let me see if I can actually show you guys what some of the market caps was. Market cap. And wow, they weren't even showing the market cap back then. I had it in Tao. Let's see if I can turn it to USD. Did I ever put it in USD? I don't even think I even. I don't think I even showed you guys how much Tao some of these was in USD. Wow, man, I wish I had hit the USD button, right? But these subnets were way smaller. Okay, we could just look at this, right? Shoots was what, 23,000 Tao at the time of this video. When I made this video, Shoots was 23,000. All right, so let me just go and check it and see what it is now. Let's put it on Tao. Look at that. Look at the difference. I'm gonna show you again. 23,000 Tao. That was the market cap of Shoots. You go do the math on what 23,000 Tao was, right? And I at the time of this video, right? Tao was like $400. So the price of Tao went down, but the price of the subnets just freaking exploded. It didn't even matter if this is why Tao is so valuable and different from virtuals and what we've seen from Max, right? Those tokens got crushed. What happens to the tokens in the ecosystem? They got obliterated. Tao price gets crushed. The freaking market caps for the subnets explode insane. Look, Shoots was literally 23,000 Tao at the time of this video. This was 2 months ago. You see the timeline. So you can see when the trolls, right? What Shoots market cap now in Tao? 294,000 Tao. And hey, when Tao gets 400 and something dollars like it is now, the market cap will be even higher. So what's stopping you guys is research, right? The inability to go say, hey, let me grab some Tao on mine in exchange. If you want to grab some Tao on your exchange, use crypto.com. You can download crypto.com and use my link in the description of the video. My link will be in the description of the video. Use my link. And go get you some Tao if that's what you want to do, not financial advice. And learn these subnets. And the difference is 2 months ago, you buy a fucking token on Solana, the meme coin, it's going to zero. These have all, that was just one. We can do the gradients. It says 138,000 now. Let's if gradients was even part of the picture then. Gradients. Where's gradients? It wasn't even part of the picture. It was Targon. Gradients. Man, if you bought gradients, you probably made a lot of money because gradients wasn't even listed here at this time. We got to go to another one. Hold on. Targon, right? 129,000 Tao right now. Back then, it was only worth 14,000 Tao. Right? Data Universe was worth 3,000 Tao at the time of this video. Right? And I've been in Data Universe since the time of this video. If we just go here and check Data Universe now, it's now worth almost 50,000 Tao. Went from 3,000 to 50,000 Tao. Didn't realize I've made even more than a 10x on Data Universe in 2 months. And I hold 4 subnets. So The subnets I personally hold, and don't buy your own. I hold Nova, Data Universe, Dojo, and Sports Tensor. And I also have like a little some dust of sturdy. I don't even know how I got it, but I got some dust of sturdy. I'm really looking here at Open Kato, man. This thing has been exploding, guys. And they are like a legit crypto company, Open Kato. And you can see it's up 97. It's probably one of the top performers on the weeks. This is actually on one I've been looking at, and I don't even think it's a $5 million market cap for such a big project. It's only sitting at a $4 million market cap. So this is something definitely to keep an eye on. All right, I'm gonna get up out of here, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Tao. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.